Hello, everyone. My name is Brenda. I am a personal care home provider in the state of Georgia. I want to talk to you guys about the home care and personal care home. All right. I did do a video before telling you about the difference, but I want to elaborate a little bit more on the personal care home versus the home care. Now, the information that I provide, I give you information based upon my own experience. I've been doing this business for 20 years, and so I'm giving you information based on my experience. And then some of it I also talk with other providers too, and to get their thoughts. Now, I do not discourage anyone from doing either business. I'm just giving you my opinion and based upon my experience, okay? And so you can do your own research and decide which business that you want to do, home care versus personal care home. In my situation, I am a personal care home provider. I provide daily living activities for individuals that live in my home. The amount of people that I deal with depends on the size of my home. Okay. And I do have several homes. So when I give you this information, it's based upon that, about my experience, what I've dealt with. Okay. So with a personal care home, you have individuals that is not related to you that you are caring for in your home. So you do your admissions, you interview people, you do your admissions, and you decide who you would like to have in your home. Okay. So once I decide the individuals that I want in my home, after interviewing them and making sure that they are a good fit according to what their care plan is, according to what their disabilities are, and also depends on what I can handle. Okay. And what my staff can handle. So those people that come into my home, I take care of them. Now, I am licensed. I am a licensed provider. There are individuals that may not be licensed, guys. Every time I get on to make a video, I get a call or I get a text. Okay, that person can wait. All right. So once I decide the individuals that I interview, if I can provide the care that they need, then I go ahead and accept them in my home. Now, I hire caregivers and CNAs to help to take care of these individuals. The CNAs and the caregivers, they are employed, and they are employed, and I pay them. Okay, so the people that I have that's in my home, these are the same people every day, same people. Okay. A lot of times, the only way that an individual is not or will leave me is if they expire, if their level of care changes to where I'm not able to care for them, then I have to refer them out to another facility that is able to care for them and provide the necessary care that they need. Okay, so either the change of condition is when they leave, if they expire. Those are basically about the two reasons why someone leave. I have had people that was with me for years, 5 or 6 years. Okay. And a lot of times the reason that they leave is because they expire, their level of care changes, or from some unforeseen circumstance, they may move back home with their own family members. Now the third one, that's very rare. Okay. So that's what the personal care home entails. Now you're providing transfer assistance, grooming, you assist them with their grooming, you do medication assistance, you provide their meals, you may provide transportation, you may provide like as far as their setting up their appointments for them. They are living in your home, they have their own bedroom or they have a shared bedroom. They are there 24 hours and you have someone that works with them. And as far as with the your staff, a lot of times in personal care homes, if you do your staff right, if you pay them a great, sorry guys, there was a book. If you pay them a good wage and you treat your employees right, or your 1099s or your contract, however you pay them, if you treat them right, you would not have a high turnover in staff. Okay. So that's the personal care home business kind of in a nutshell. And of course, there's more to it, but I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of that. Okay, home care, you are the provider. You are actually sending your patient care techs, your caregivers, your CNAs into individuals' homes to provide daily living activities assistance to them. Now, you may have 50 clients and you may have, I'm just going to give a number. You may have 12 individuals that work for your company. Those individuals are going to go out into those individual homes, all 50 of those homes, a certain number of hours every day, every other day, however their care plan says. You're going to send your people out into these 50 homes. Okay. So you may have the same caregiver, CNA, whichever patient care tech. You may have that same person that's assigned to that individual's home. Okay. So, but if that individual that you assign to that particular home or that particular client, something may happen. You may need to send another caregiver, patient care tech, or whatever into your residence facility or home. And when you do home care, they have a certain amount of hours that they may need you for whatever care that they need. Okay. Personal care home, they're in your home. It's 24-hour care, 24-hour watchful oversight. Home care, that individual may have 6 hours that they can have somebody to help them, 8 hours. Most likely it's not 24-hour care. If it's 24-hour care, then they would either be in a personal care home, an assisted living, some type of community that would provide them 24-hour care. All right. So home care, it's a certain amount of hours that you're helping that individual in their own home. Okay. So that is, sorry guys, I got another text. So that is the home care pretty much. Of course, there is more to it, but I'm just kind of giving you a little small overview of the differences between the home care and versus the personal care home. Okay. I hope that information did help someone to make a decision on which business that they want to do. And I will elaborate more on some more advantages of having a personal care home. Okay, guys, take care. This is Brenda. If you have any questions, DM me. And again, if you would like to shadow me at my facility and you're in the state of Georgia, I am willing to do that. I'm willing to have someone to shadow me for a day or for some hours so that you can see exactly what goes on in a personal care home. That way you can kind of make your decision and you're not kind of going into it blind. It'll give you an indication of what to do and if you can handle it. Okay, because you got to work, people. You got to work in this business. You got to work, but it's very rewarding in all the ways possible. All right, take care, guys. Watch out for more videos. Hit that like button, subscribe, forward this video to someone who may be interested in getting more information regarding a personal care home in the state of Georgia. And also, I want to say this: there are homes in all states, but they're called different things. Okay, so in Georgia, it's personal care home. You have an assisted living. It's different criteria, different rules and regulations. In Florida, it's called an adult family care home. You can have a certain amount of residents before it's considered an assisted living. So it depends on what state that you're in or you're interested in getting more information on a residential care facility. Oh, sorry, guys. If you, it just depends on what state. It's called different things. Okay. So you'll have to know what the name is in that state. But I specialize in Georgia. I also have had facilities in Florida, so I know about Florida as well. But currently, I'm talking to you guys about Georgia. Okay, I'm not going into other states. That's not my territory. Okay, I haven't done the research, and it's a lot of research on all of these. So, but I specialize in Georgia. Okay, so DM me about Georgia only, guys. I can tell you some stuff about Florida too, but don't ask me about other states. Okay, I'm not going to give you information that I don't know about in another state. Okay, all right. Take care, guys. And again, DM me if you would like to shadow me to see how things goes. So that gives you an indication on what you can do. All right. Take care, guys. Until next time. Peace out.